The invisible smart lock, the level lock. So this is my second episode reviewing and talking about this awesome smart lock, and Level Home is a sponsor of this video. They actually sent me this lock so I can show you guys how to install it. And if you want to get an actual smart lock benefits without compromise the actual style and color of your existing Deadbolt hardware, this is the way to go. Now let me explain. It's an actual invisible smart lock that will change only the deadbolt of your existing deadbolt lock. You will get all the cool benefits and features just like any other smart lock. You will be able to gain access remotely. You will be able to get push notification to your smartphone when someone enter and exit the door. You will be able to share access and schedule to friends and family and revoke this access at any time. Also, you will be able to use an actual auto lock and unlock feature. So imagine that you're approaching to the door when you're coming back to your house. It will auto detect that you're there and it will unlock it for you without doing pretty much anything. There is more feature with this awesome smart lock, but one of the most important, it's the actual security rating. It's rated as a grade 1 security rating by NSI, which means that this awesome deadbolt lock, smart lock, is a grade 1 and it's the highest security rating by NSI. And all those things make this super small invisible smart lock one of the best smart lock that I know so far. And let's test it right now, and I will show you guys how to install and program it to your smartphone, and I will also give you guys a professional tip, as always, how you can get this awesome lock even more secure at the same time. Stay tuned. The invisible smart lock, the level lock. Before we're gonna start, I just want to introduce myself really quick. If you're new to my channel, my name is Kobe and I'm with Silver Eagle Locksmith Las Vegas YouTube channel. If you want to do it yourself, learn from a professional locksmith how to install and secure your house and doors in the most affordable ways possible, learn about new upcoming smart locks, door reinforcement, and all security related, this is the right channel. So consider subscribing and make sure to click and turn on notification by clicking the bell right after, because if you don't, unfortunately, YouTube won't let you know when I release new videos when I release them. Okay, with this out of the way, let's move on, talk a little bit more about this awesome smart lock, and right after, we're gonna move on to the installation and programming, coming up right now. So the most important thing about this awesome smart lock, you already know. But you know what? I did make an actual PDF file with all the thing in depth about this awesome smart lock and information such as Deadbolt's compatibility list, door compatibility list, battery life, security rating, remote access using compatible HomeKit devices, services and integrations with Walmart InHome delivery. If you want to get all this information in depth, I did make an actual PDF file, and all the information that I know also from the manufacturer is in this PDF file. It's free to download. Make sure to check the link down below in the description for more information. Also, I do share links down below in the description where you can purchase this awesome smart lock. So make sure, guys, to check the link down below in the description, because I will also try my best to get a special coupon code with a discount special for you. So make sure to check the link down below, and let's move on from the boring stuff to the good stuff. And I will show you guys how to install and integrate this awesome smart lock with your current Deadbolt and download an actual application with iOS device, coming up right now. Okay everyone, let's go over really quick what's inside the box. And let's open it. So this is gonna be our quick start guide and all the information to install it. We have the actual level smart lock and the Deadbolt, which they are going to be connected to each other. We have 3 different adapters for basically most Deadbolt locks. The first one here is horizontal shaped tailpieces. We got an actual quickset shaped tailpiece. Most quickset locks use this actual adapter, and we have horizontal shaped tailpiece sitting on an angle for Schlage locks and some other brands. So basically those adapters will fit most deadbolt locks, so it's really good that they include all of them. What else we have here? Some screws, kind of short screws for probably for the actual strike plate. We have one CR2 battery included, that's really good. And we have our strike plate. Now from what I see here, this actual strike plate will not fit most existing deadbolt strike plates. So you will have to mortise the actual strike plate so it will sit flat with your actual door frame. So instead of installing this strike plate, what I would recommend you guys is to check the video that I share right here. Click that link, and this video basically will show you step by step how to install a security door strike plate. So basically this heavy duty strike plate, it's 11 inches door strike plate that will give you way more security in general, combining with this awesome smart lock. So check my recommendation to install security door strike plate. There is a video that I actually made a few weeks ago, and I show you step by step how to do it, and combining with this awesome smart lock, you get much more security, and this is what I recommend to you guys, and this is my tip. Okay, without further ado, let's move on to the actual installation and programming, coming up right now. Okay, so first steps in the installation is to know which HomeKit device you want to use to pair with the level lock. So I'm using an HomePod. You guys can use, if you want, Apple TV or an iPad. And if you want to get more information, as I mentioned, I do share a link with a PDF file down below in the description. Okay guys, so first steps in the installation is to remove our screws for the thumb turn of your current deadbolt. So we're gonna remove them. Okay, now we're gonna remove our lock also. And we're gonna completely remove the deadbolt. Okay. Okay, the next step is going to be installing our deadbolt. So the way you do it, you see there is a marker here that says stop. It's an actual stamp on the lock, on the deadbolt. So that's how you're going to put it. And it will fit just nice for a standard deadbolt. I mean, the mortise shape is a round corner, so it should fit just fine. Okay, now turning it, you see right here, that's where you're gonna connect the actual base, the level lock. That's basically our motor. So the way you're connecting it, there is a small screw and an actual slot that is go right in. And right after, I'm gonna tighten the screw. Alright. Also, don't forget to put the two side screw for your deadbolt. Okay, we are almost finished with the installation. Now what we're gonna have to do is knowing which adapter for the tailpiece we're gonna have to use. Now in my case I use a Schlage lock, it's B60N, and for this deadbolt I will have to use an actual flat shaped tailpiece that's sitting on an angle. So this is the right tailpiece that I'm gonna use, but like I mentioned before, there is two other shaped tailpieces. One is for quick set locks and the other one is an actual flat shaped tailpiece that will fit all the other deadbolts. All right, move on with the installation. We're gonna put the deadbolt, and right after we're gonna connect our adapter. Make sure it pressed all the way in, just like this. All right, now we're gonna connect our thumb turn and install back the 2 existing screws. Second screw. All right, now you wanna try to lock and unlock your deadbolt. Make sure it goes smoothly. And we're good right here. Now let's install our battery. So it's also included this CR2 battery, and you're gonna have to remove the actual cap right here. You can twist it. And the plus is gonna go just like this, forward, and putting back. All right, so we are pretty much done with the installation. Is super simple, guys. It will fit most deadbolt locks, just like I show here. And let's move on with our programming coming up right now. Okay guys, so the first thing for the actual programming is making sure that you have an actual HomeKit device connecting to your home or business Wi-Fi. So I'm using in this tutorial an actual HomePod, but either way you can use Apple TV or iPad. Okay, moving on with our installation. So the first thing that you guys have to do is to download the actual Level Home application. And when you're done with creating an account, putting your cell phone number, verify it, and all the other steps along the way, you will get to this screen right now. And in this screen, we're gonna add a lock for the very first time. And there is a tutorial here show you how to install the lock, but yeah, of course we don't need it anymore. So we're gonna skip. Now it's gonna pair our lock. Okay, we're gonna name it whatever you guys want. I'm gonna put front door and continue. So location name, it's gonna be home, and you're gonna also have to put the address. It's important to put the address because this is how basically HomeKit will recognize if you left the property, and if you did enable the auto unlock feature, it will auto detect that you're next to the door and it will unlock it for you. So if you want, you need to put the address for the actual feature to work. So I'm gonna put my address, and then when you're done, you click continue. There is a sound, your lock is connected, continue. Okay, get more with HomeKit. HomeKit provides blah, blah, blah. Okay, so continue. And I'm gonna select HomeKit location, my home, continue. And you're gonna scan the actual barcode on the backside of the manual. It's actually showing you how to install the lock, and it's already detected. Okay. All right, so we are connected. Now the lock basically is connected for the very first time. So if you want to if you want to unlock the Deadbolt using this app, all you need to do is to basically press the front door and hold. All right. So it will unlock it automatically, and it's also send a push notification. To lock it, you press it again and hold. And you hear the sound. Now let's go to our setting. It's on the bottom right. And we can adjust some settings here. So the first thing is the auto lock feature. You can choose 30, 1 minute, or 3 minutes. Let's choose, for now, 1 minute. And we can adjust the sound. So it's pretty good that you can actually adjust these things because, you know, for some people, sound might be not good. For example, if you have, baby in the house and you don't want to wake him up. So no sounds, it's right for you. In my case, I do want to have a sounds because then I'll know when someone gets into the house. So I'm going to put high. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's all with the Level Home application. So we're going to click done. Now we're going to go to our HomeKit application. And you can see it's already created our lock. So if you press and hold, you can also go to the settings. There is some suggested scenes that you can enable if you want to. It's like a shortcut, things that you can enable to access easily. And what we want to do is basically enabling the auto unlock feature. So in order for you to enable it, remember your HomeKit device must be connected to the Wi-Fi. And we're going to go to automation. And we're going to create new automation. What we're going to have to do is people arrive. So when actual users arriving to the house, if their phone is with them, it will auto detect and unlock the door for them automatically. So we're going to enable it. And action, anyone who's arrived, location, home, it's already have our address built in. Time, at any time it's going to unlock the door, but you can also play with the settings if you want to. So for specific users, you can enable specific times, etc. Okay, so we're going to do next, and we're going to choose our default room, which is our front door, and click next. And that's pretty much it. We're going to click done, and that's it, guys. That's how you do it. This is how you basically install and program this awesome smart lock. And also you got history. So there is a log with history here. That's pretty cool. It will let you know who's got in, which user, what time. And that's pretty much it, guys. Enjoy your new lock. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section below, and I promise that I will answer as soon as I can. Guys, let me know your thoughts about this awesome smart lock. Do you consider purchasing this awesome lock? Let me know in the comment section below. If you have any questions as well about the programming, the installation, or anything in general about the Level lock, let me know in the comment section below, and I promise that I will answer as soon as I can. And guys, don't forget, if you did like this video, make sure to smash that like button. Give a like to my video. Thank you. This is how YouTube promote my video. So I appreciate it. And also, if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing, and also make sure to click and turn all notifications right after, because if you don't, YouTube won't let you know when I release new videos when I release them. And also, the very last thing is that I do share links of my previous videos right now, so make sure to check those videos. I'm sure that you'll find them interesting as well. And I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much.